Hello everybody, welcome back to Ham Shack TV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Got something in the mail today that I'm excited about. I thought I could get by without this, but apparently I can't. So I want to share it with y'all and let y'all see. You can see right here, let me get my mesh-tastic lily go out of the way. You can see right here, this is where my 5100 lives, or at least one of my 5100s, the other one's in my shack. The way I've put this on here in the past is with not adhesives, what they call these command strips. Now these aren't holding anymore, so we're going to try something different. So let's do a quick unboxing here. All right. Ordered this on Amazon. And I've heard a lot of good things about these. It is a LIDO mount. That doesn't look like what I thought it was supposed to look like. But here it is. Let's open it up out of the packaging. This looks like a cell phone holder, not what I was expecting, but let's just see. Give it the benefit of the doubt for now. So clearly, this expands. This doesn't feel right to me. I don't think it's going to fit the whole entire device in there. At least not wide. But look at that. It bites right down onto the to the head easily. So anyway, we just expanded that out just like a regular cell phone holder. Now this is what I'm curious of. I don't know how this is going to work. So supposedly this just slides in the CD player. Let's take a look. Like so. Flip the switch down. Sure enough, that fits right in the CD player. So we're going to take this and drop it down right like that. There we go. I kind of like that, y'all. I like the way that looks. Let's clear this out. It feels sturdy. It don't feel like it's going anywhere. I like it. This is much better than what I anticipated. So I will leave this in the description how to get one of these yourself through LIDO. This thing was cheap. I don't even know if I paid $20 for it. It was unbelievably inexpensive. LIDO, LIDO mount, available on Amazon, and it will be in the Ham Shack TV store. I appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's helpful because, let's just be honest, command strips don't work in your truck. They just don't. It survived a few months and then it was just notorious left and right after that, putting new command strips on. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget the links in the description down below. Let me know what your mounting solution is down in the comments if you have anything different. So at this point, we'll say 7-3. We'll catch you on the next one. This is AA4WX, WSEB 693.